What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the Mod Lab. Today we are in Nevada in the desert. Pretty beautiful out here. Today we're going to be talking about something that's a little bit unusual as far as content wise, but to all my car people, just bear with me and you'll see how it comes full circle. But yeah, let's get right into today's video. So what we have here, guys, is the DJI Mini 2. It has a 4K camera on it. You can also fly this in around 20 mile an hour winds, and it has 30 minutes of flying time. If you're wondering where you can get one of these gadgets, you can get them at maverickdrone.com. These bad boys go for around 600 bucks. So when purchasing a drone, you want to buy one that's good quality. So if you look at the differences between the two, it's pretty obvious. You don't want that one. You want to get one like this. If you want a good quality drone, you also have to have good durability. Let's go test out the durability of this one. So for all my car peeps out there watching this, the car that we're going to be using to show off the drone's capabilities is a Polaris Slingshot. It's a 5-speed. It's got the cruise engine. It's got 3 wheels, and you've probably seen them before, and it makes a whopping 170 horsepower. As far as the Slingshot goes, got this aftermarket shifter. The blinker's a little goofy. One thing I forgot to mention about the Slingshot is it is technically a motorcycle, but you don't need a motorcycle endorsement to drive one. You just need a regular license. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today. Polaris Slingshot, DJI Mini 2. Thank you so much for watching the Mod Lab on YouTube. Like, share, subscribe. Also got to give a huge shout out to Maverick Drone System in Savage, Minnesota. Peace.